All right, what's up, guys? It's Michael Man Mike's Customs. I'm gonna make it sweet and short. It's hot out here, but we're doing a 5.3 Vortex engine swap on a 2008 Sahara. It's a pickup truck, GMC. Just wanted you guys to see it, 2008. You do have to kind of remove the relay module box. It's got the same standard clips all GMs have. This is gonna be a fucking mess putting it back on, but I just try to keep everything put where they belong. I did pull the whole harness clip out. There was an additional clip down here under the box you have to dig in for. Got that one out. And then there's one on the back and there's two on the sides. These are very damaged clips, so whatever, we'll worry about that bridge when we cross it. For tonight, I went ahead and just pulled off all the wires, even the ground in the back. There's a ground cable. Where's it at? Right here. Ground cable goes up here. There. Pulled that out. Got the radiator hose out. Obviously, you see I don't make messes. For OSHA, I am trained. I have a coolant catch pan at the bottom. We'll go ahead and finish training the system in the morning. What I'll have to do is get these junction of coolant hoses off right here and this junction of coolant hose, but the pizza is ready, so I'm calling it. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little mini clip, though it'll probably be as short. And yeah, I'll go ahead and edit it into a real video and we'll enjoy that later. Well, we did store everything in the back. Doesn't look like much, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, it's like 5 covers I pulled off. Hoses, air takes, the air box. So you can see the air box is gone, all that shit. It's just coolant hoses over there. Letting the coolant drain. Hoses, connections, wire harness was the most important one, so I focused on that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, GMC baby.